Apple's teasing us again. Siri's big upgrade delayed. A foldable iPhone rumored to flip the game. And AirPods Max just got a lossless audio boost that's got audio files buzzing. What's Apple cooking? Stick around to find out. Hey tech fam, Apple's making waves in 2025. Some good, some messy. Today we're unpacking Siri's stumble, a foldable iPhone rumor, and AirPods Max stepping up. Let's dive in. First up, Siri. Apple promised a smarter, more personal assistant with Apple Intelligence. Think context-aware, app-controlling magic. X post from March 19 blew up when Apple confirmed it's delayed. No iOS 18.4 debut in April. Why? Bugs and a rocky AI division, per Bloomberg. Snaps later for the coming year, maybe iOS 19 in 2026. Fans are salty. Siri's lagging behind ChatGPT and Gemini. Will Apple catch up, or is this a rare fumble? Next, something juicier. A foldable iPhone. X lit up on March 18th with the rundown AI spilling tea. Apple's allegedly dropping it in 2026 for a cool $2,000. Mark Gurman from Bloomberg backs this, saying it's their first foldable flex. Imagine a sleek, flipping iPhone. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold vibes, but Apple-fied. Risky? Sure. But if anyone can make foldable sexy and functional, it's Apple. Hype or hope? You tell me. Then there's AirPods Max. Apple's giving them a glow up. It was reported on March 19th, a free firmware update with iOS 18.4 adds lossless audio and ultra-low latency via USB-C. We're talking 24-bit, 48 kHz crispness, perfect for Apple Music's 100 million lossless tracks. Gamers and producers win too, with lag-free sound matching your iPhone speakers. Downside? Only works wired. Still, audiophiles are eating this up. So what's the vibe? Siri's delay stings, but that foldable iPhone could redefine premium tech, and AirPods Max? Niche, but a sweet flex for sound nerds. Apple's juggling innovation and hiccups. Classic Cupertino chaos. 2025's shaping up wild. Will they deliver? What's your take? Siri worth the wait? Foldable iPhone a must? Apple AirPods Max tempting you? Drop your thoughts in the comments.